Hello everybody and welcome back. I'm here to share with you the Apothecary box that I have created. If you saw my unboxing video, this is the Grabie scrapbooking box. This is their Apothecary and Entomology Cabinet box, and I was just very excited by this. You've got lots of lovely stickers and paper packs in here, and then you've got a kit to be able to build your own box. The thing I love most about it is that it was very customizable. You could kind of rearrange where you wanted the shelves and how you wanted it all laid out. And it had a little video with it as well, so it would walk you through step by step on how to make it. So I have finished my box. So I wanted to show you how it looks. It all went together reasonably straightforward, actually. I was pleasantly surprised. I did kind of ask for a little wish of good luck because I'm not very good with fiddly things. There were elements of this that were a little bit fiddly, especially the teeny tiny screws in here, but this really is such a sweet little box. And I'll show you the inside as I've created it. So up at the top, we've got our little test tubes. I've got some letters and a postcard kind of tucked behind. I've got some little scrolls up on the shelves, some on these. I've even got some gems, some little different coloured stones there. And then down the bottom, I've got some books along here. I even created a couple of books. These ones were already made up. These ones, you had the book covers, which I had to cut out. And then I literally just kind of concertinaed a load of paper and put it in there. There was lots of different like little scrappy bits of paper that you could cut out. So I've just kind of piled them so it just looks like paper's been shoved on a shelf at the back. We've got some more of those large stones. In the middle here, there are lots of different little sort of larger vials. So I used the washi tapes that came in the box to create the labels. So these are actually washi tape stickers that were from here. And yeah, I just put different coloured threads in them just to give them some different colours. And then, like I said, I put the washi tape on there. Here again, we've got some little scrolls, some more papers, some more gems. And again, another scroll and some more smaller bottles down the bottom here. But this really was super cute to make. Again, I have had to do this in stages because we've had lots going on here. It's been a busy couple of weeks. But yeah, it has been good fun to make, actually. I wasn't sure, while I was excited about it, I wasn't sure whether I'd cope with all the teeny tiny pieces, but actually it was really fun to make, and it didn't take me that long. I think the longest part was the drying time. I did use, so they advised that you use the watercolour paints that came with it. So it came with a small palette of watercolour paints. So they recommended that you use that, which I did. Where I was a little bit glue heavy though, obviously because of the type of glue that it is, the watercolour paints won't go over that. So I've got some acrylic marker pens. So I found a brown and kind of went over the edges with that, where I kind of was a bit overzealous with the glue. But I still think it's come together perfectly. But yeah, I just wanted to come back, do a very quick little video, and this is a very short one, just to share this little box with you, just in case you were wondering how it kind of went together. But as I said, you could rearrange the things however you like. This is how I kind of put it together myself. Well, thank you so much for joining me. I do have a code and everything down below if you are interested in ever ordering from Grabie. It gives you a little bit of a discount. I think that's always worth it. I've always really loved the Grabie products. They do lots of different boxes as well. You can get past boxes, so if there are other boxes that you've enjoyed seeing, you can go back and grab some past boxes as well. And yeah, I'm looking forward to the next one now. So yeah, thank you very much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you all in the next crafty video. Bye for now.